Hello everyone, my name is Ulia Fatima Azaha and my ID number is 91B24016. My major is D3 Medical Technology Laboratory Bima International University Medical Pharmacy Mataram. And yeah, this video is an English assessment from Miss Alfie Laila Penufus MPD, and this is part of my assignment about the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. Because honestly, when we talk about our future, we're not just talking about jobs or success. We're also talking about the planet we're going to live on. So today, let's have a short chat about one of the most urgent goals. It's about climate action from SDGs. What are the SDGs? SDGs stand for Sustainable Development Goals. These are 17 global goals launched by the United Nations in 2015 with a target to be achieved by the year 2030. Their main purpose? To create a world that is fairer, healthier, safer, and more environmentally friendly for everyone. Simple put, SDGs are like a roadmap to a better future. What makes the SDGs special? Firstly, it's about the universal responsibility. The SDGs apply to all countries regardless of their economic status. This universality emphasizes that every nation has a role in achieving these goals, fostering a global sense of shared responsibility. Secondly is about integrated approach. That goals are interdependent, meaning progress in one area often supports progress in others. For instance, improving access to clean water can enhance health outcomes and promote economic growth. This interconnectedness ensures that efforts are holistic and mutually reinforcing. And last, it's about collaborative effort. This is achieving the SDGs requires cooperation among governments, business, civil society, and individuals. Why are they important? Because right now, our world is facing multiple crises: poverty, hunger, unequal education, climate change, and many more. SDGs are like a global agreement to save the planet and protect humanity before it's too late. If we ignore it, future generations might not be able to enjoy even the simplest thing we take for granted today. And yeah, out of the 17 SDGs goals, I will be focusing on goals is number 13, which is about climate action. And yeah, the topic is what is climate action? From number 13 at SDGs, the climate change is real and we can already feel its effect. The weather is getting more extreme, seasons are unpredictable, floods or droughts are more frequent, and wildfires are getting worse. Climate change is not just about the environment, it affects our health, economy, food security, and even our social stability. It's a global issue that impacts everyone, whether you live in a big city, a small village, or a remote island. Why is climate action important? Because if we don't act now, the consequence will fall on the next generation. And for countries like Indonesia and Isolation, we're especially vulnerable, rising sea levels causing entire areas, unpredictable weather could destroy crops, and the ones who suffer most are often those who contribute less to the problem. Taking climate action is a firm responsibility to the earth and to each other. Now, we have a question that what can we do? The good news is you don't have to be a government official to make a difference. We can all take a part, starting with small actions. The first point is about reduce fossil fuel use. It's about walk, cycle, or use public transportation. And secondly, it's about save electricity and water. It's about turn off lights, upload device and close the tap. And thirdly, it's about reduce waste. It's about especially single-use plastic. And fourthly, it's about planters or join reforestation movements. And finally, it's about educating others like I'm doing right now. And the last is about support eco-friendly business, from organic foods to sustainable local products. And yeah, I will take a local example. In my hometown, it's in Sumbawa, West Nusa Tenggara Barat. There are already real efforts that support SDGs 13. Number 13. And for example, there are mangrove planting activities along the coast. Mangroves are amazing. They absorb carbon dioxide, protect the shoreline from erosions, and support marine ecosystem. Some villages also started integrated waste management programs. People are told to sort their waste at home. There are recently banks and even school education about sustainability. And what's special is, it's not just a government project. The local people are actively involved too. It's proof that change that can start at the local level, from the community, from us. So yeah, saving the planet doesn't always mean doing something well. It starts with awareness, small habits, and the willingness to care, not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us. Even something as simple as starting a conversation like this can inspire action. Thanks for taking the time to listen. Let's do our part, and one small step at a time. See you guys!